Begin. All right, homeboy. I need to cut this at an angle now. Ugh. Come on. Keep the knife angled, guys. This can be a badass punch. Okay. Fine.
Ew.
Thank you, Jeff Bezos. Got this on Amazon. It's an ice cream scooper, but it'll work. Get the last bit of pumpkin out. Okay, guys. Now it begins. You could save the dry ice until the end, but I like mine in early, okay? Let's smoke the whole way through. So we're starting off with white rum. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Get up.
Come behind that white rum with some spiced rum.
You can't tell how much is in there.
No, we have to eyeball this. We can figure it out. Okay. So I
Look at
got
the
these
size.
two. Now, this honey syrup, okay? This is sweetener. Get some sweetness in there. Come behind that with some apple cider, because it's that time of year. Dude, I can't.
This is so weird.
I have no idea how full this is. Well, space. Dude, this is freaky because I've never done it where I can't see what's going on.
Whoa. Whoops.
Oh, we got space. We got space. We're good, guys. Okay. Now, you come behind that. Let's hit it with a bit of apple juice.
You gotta shake it, and that's orange.
Orange, sorry, wrong flavor. Get some orange in there. Now, we following that orange up with a little bit of ginger ale. Oh, that's right at the top. We are good. And then, guys, I grab my spoon, come in, and I give this a nice little stir. And there you have it, the Smokey Halloween rum punch in a pumpkin. And guys, all you gotta do is remember dry ices. Don't touch it, you know what I mean? Don't touch it with your body because it's super, super cold. So don't put it in your mouth, don't touch it with your fingers, and you are good. And it could chill anything, all right? As always, drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. This right here is ice cold from those little pieces of dry ice. Later!